My father told me I was timid child. At school they said I had no style. I was dreaming to be those cool kids, but I come to fucked up my whole teenage life. Now I've been many places, so delicious. I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. It's the star that show me where I go, just like I knew you were.
And I'm flurrying sounds and sounds and smiles. Oh, we're coming home tonight. You never know how to express your feeling, don't you? Oh, we're coming home tonight.
My father told me I was born to run. Long way from home, he never doubt peace, son. Don't coming back until your dreams come true. But I pray for you, be always by your side. Now I've been many places, so delicious. I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. It's the star that show me where I go, just like I knew you were. Simple song. Don't worry, Daddy, I ain't coming home. And life is nothing but a simple song. Don't worry, Daddy, I ain't coming home.
Diamonds, baby. I take you to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. Ay, I take you to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. She's so bad, just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. I make a lot of hits, one day they gon' worth a meal. I see it, I want it, I get it, who gives a damn about a bill? I take it to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. I make a lot of hits, one day they gon' worth a meal. I see it, I want it, I get it, who gives a damn about a bill? I'm gone, I'm out of the stratosphere. She told me I'm faded, can you get me out of here? Take me to the back of the room, I'll let you explore my body. Man, I'm so sick of all them people trying to take my money. I'm gone, yeah. She gone, yeah. I'm gone, yeah. She gone, yeah. She was so hot, she said, baby, let's go to the moon. But I'm so tired, I just wanna chill in the back of the room. I said, put the body on me, let me set the mood.